Autoredus face fat. Maybe you don't want to fully face or fail you've go biche ik. You should always embrace the looks you've born with because confidence it best attractiveness boost. Taban said, there are way you can naturally make your face look slim. Changing your diet. Get rid of overall body fat. If you want your face to look less fat, you need to lose fat overall. Spot reduction of fat is no possible to accomplish with diet alone. Yet few calories through good day, so that your body will lose up fat faster than energy. If you do that, you will lose weight in the face too. Luckily, if you want a slim face, your body grafted the fat first in the neck, jaw en face. So if you couldn't calorie budo it in a healthy manner, you should have a less full face and team. You need to create a caloric deficit. It take about 3,500 calories burned to lose a single pound. You will burn some calories every day just by living and breathing. You need to burn more than you take in to lose weight. Effective weight loss occurs gradually. Cutting calories in a healthy manner eliminating some calories, c'est 500 a day, through diet or exercise, with to completely depriving your body of food. Instead, make healthy food choice or start slow, c'est by eliminating the morning dugnu from your diet. No eating ali medical in safe. It also could your body in starvation mode, which will actually reduce your metabolism and make it harder to lose weight. 1. Drink a lot of water to keep the body fully hydrated. There are many reasons a good idea to drink a lot of water through good day, but none of them it will reduce bloating in your face. The reason water will produce face fatty because it flush toxin out of your body. Thus, it also increases your overall health. It will also improve the look of your skin and hair. 2. Drinking cold water will burn extra calories. Drinking 64 ounces of water per day a good target to strive for. Keeping the body constantly hydrated will make you feel better, and it should make your face look more slender over time. Yet the right food for a healthy diet. A diet low in processed food and refined flour, like wheat bread and pasta, will be healthy for you. Instead, try to eat a lot of fresh vegetables and fruits, food with fiber, fish, and hot protein-rich food. Try not to eat food with a lot of salt, avoid junk food loaded with salt. Salt encourage your body to retain more water, so it will bloat your face. Sugar is also linked to a fatty face. Processed carb with a lot of sugar in them are going to cause face bloat. 3. All to people WHO are underage should not drink alcohol. A noté negative side effect of alcohol it cause the face to bloat by dehydrating the body. 4. Some good food choice include almond, broccoli, spinach, and salmon. Determine what you have food intolerance. Some team food allergy or intolerance are to blame for a full face. Sa doctor if you think you might have one. En example, some people have sensitivity to gluten and would benefit from eating gluten-free food. Many restaurants and grocery stores are including gluten-free options to the day. 6. Some people with irritable bowel syndrome some team think their face are full are resul. Gastrointestinal disorder are fairly common, affecting about 15% of adults. It also possible that hormones are causing your face to look full, such as PMS, hormonal hormone, perimenopause. Trying exercise and trick to slim the face. Try toning your face with facial exercise. You can exercise your face to make it look slimmer. Ty work by strengthening facial muscle, reducing saggy skin in the face. Treat chic puff exercise. Simply take a deep breath and hold air in your cheek. Then push it tout out cheek. Do it several times through good day. A smile exercise that tighten the cheek and move it to smile and clench your teeth for a few seconds. Don't scan your eye. Then pucker your lip. Repeat. Do it on one side, and then switch side. Pucker your lip for 5 seconds. Alt puqueron trait, ten switch toute let side of your face. If you avant expressive face en use your facial muscalo, even just be smiling en logging allo, your face will look more slender. Increase your metabolism by exercising at body. If you do so, you will also change to your face. Exercise also go for your health overall. Timaitement just walking for 30 minutes most day a week. Or you could try a circuit training program 3-5 day a week. En exercice going to help boost your metabolism, reduce overall fat, en slim your face. Make sure you don't make the mistake of thinking you can eat junk food because exercise will take care of it. Losing weight mostly die, all to exercise will definitely strengthen the body and improve health. Jet a lot of sleep to some more slender face. The body needs sleep to be healthy. The rare many studies correlate lack of sleep with weight gain. A fatigued body may blatant also cause the facial muscle to sag. Ti can make the face look large étant normal. A good rule of thumb to try to get 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. Try to have a regular sleeping schedule. Try creative option for slimming the face. From blowing a balloon to hot towel treatment, there are many ideas how to set to slim the face. Blowing a balloon will turn your cheek because it exercises the muscle in them. Just blow a balloon and roll the air in it, and don't eat it. You should notice a difference in 5 days, 7. Try putting hot towel on your face because some believe steam can help you reduce cheek fat. The face will sway and rolls some fat stored in your face. Just put a towel into warm water, and then apply it to your face. Sometimes steam can help slim your face by removing toxin from it. 8. Chez sugar-free gum for at least 20 minutes twice a day. Ti actually work a facial exercise ta will cook calorie on your face. You could also try a facial massage using ginseng or a germol to stimulate blood circulation in the face. Start your chin, moving in a circular motion with your palm. Using body tip to get a slim face. Use makeup to make the face have a slim appearance. There are different makeup tricks you can use to create the illusion of a slim face. Apply a bronzing powder into low of your cheek or on the side of your nose. Adding blush to the top of your cheek also can make the face look less full. With the powder, draw a line along your cheekbone, blending the powder in from your hair to the corner of your mouth. Just above it, apply blush. 9. Use a bronzer tight wash add darker than your skin tone. The way you can use it to add more shape to your face, making it appear slimmer. 10. Emphasis the eye. If you use makeup to put more emphasis on your eye, your face is likely going to look slimmer. When your lips are full, it can make your face look rounded. So if you're worried about that, play up your eye. Put mascara, eyeliner, en eyeshadow on thème, en leave your lip plain or only plus à plein gloss on thème. The shape of the eyebrow is really important to making your face look slim. If your eyebrow are more shaped, it can make your overall face look tiny. Many beauty salon will wax and shape your eyebrow for you if you're not sure to do it right. Illuminate your face. Another trick that you can use with makeup to slenderize the face is to add an element of illumination to it. 12. Take a highlighting powder. Using a makeup brush, put it under your eye, and don't middle of your nose. You should use the illumination technique in conjunction with bronzing powder or contouring. Some believe it will make your face look slimmer because of the contrast with the bronzing powder. Other style to make your face look most slender. No hairstyle are created equal. Depending on your face shape, a hairstyle can make your face look rounded or slimmer. 13. If your hair is long, don't grow it past your chest, and have a hairstylist create some soft layer to frame your face. 14. You want to create some curve in the hair around the face bit cheekbone and eye, avoiding a straight line in the hair. Bang will probably make your face look fully if they are straight across. You should avoid blank bob instead go for allongé shaggy look with layer. Pulling the hair straight back will make your face look round and showcasing your temple. High vertical give illusion of a slim and allongé face. Resist urge to explore cosmetic surgery. The can go sovereign, en thème à look natural. Ove, Yobiota older people some team explore them to get rid of fat in the face. Fat suctioning procedure or face lift can remove excess fat or skin. Some people opt for chic implant to give the face a different appearance. Think long hard for exploring any of the options. Be happy with your natural looks. Find comfort in your own skin. There are many history of people who undergo cosmetic surgery tell to regret. Underage people should try natural way of slimming the face instead, such as using makeup trick or, better yet, a healthy diet. Cosmetic surgery can be dangerous and expensive.